The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Man, I forget food to eat, you see, 7 days of the week. Hey, wow, man, I be out on my feet, all when my foot up on me, them can't know it's very hungry. Out
Downtown, we in downtown.
Yeah, come on, just now.
There, but come link up hot feet, yeah. The people them say hot feet, yeah.
Yeah, and a pub life, Jamaica good life overall things, you see me?
Oh.
Yeah man, so you don't know. You know a juice vibe, today on Monday, so you know it's a juice day today. Fruit juice,
yeah, fruit juice. So you know, so we're making some juice.
Back till night, you see it?
See?
Yeah man. Some cedar, some papaya, you have June plum, you have pine, callaloo juice. People them love it too.
Yeah.
So you don't know the thing.
Yeah.
You see me? So I'm not sure no one go on. This is what we do every
strong.
Not every week. Monday, which is the second day of the strong. So that's how the thing go. You see me?
Hot feet, yeah.
Hot feet, yeah. Oh mama, thank you mama. I love you, mama, more than any other. I love my sister, I love my brother. Oh, mama, I love you, mama. Cry me for 9 months and weeks, almost a hair in you. You bear that pain with me, mama, I know you do. To bring forth this black boy, I know Jah will bless you. When I'm cold, you make me warm, mama, you always do. Say, don't know the thing, mama, my turn now for say. Everything alright for you.
Sure.
Say, don't know the
At
thing.
feet.
Yeah, man, this are the ginger way. I make the thing vibes it. Cause without ginger and a vibe, you know.
Sure.
See me? See how the thing go?
Ginger
Yeah, man,
clean.
ginger clean, you see? So we can do some cut up, you know.
So the ginger I cut up now at feet.
Yeah, man, I cut up some ginger and the thing, you know, you see me?
Sure.
Flavor this. These are the vibes. Feet, yeah. Right now we're going to go in and so I can do some blending, you know, you see me?
Sure.
So you don't know, take the clippings of the fruits. This is the one you can eat, this is the one you can blend it. Good for you.
Yeah.
See it?
Avocado.
You know it go. I saw them call it avocado. I eat them when I call pear in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Actually, you see me?
They call it pear in J.A.
Yeah man, our saying. And the best thing this is eat with everything. This eat with dumpling, banana, everything, you see me?
Yeah.
So this good for you. Naturally.
Naturally.
Out of Jamaica.
Out of Jamaica.
You see me?
Aye.
Cool and splendid puffing and make me feel irate. Right now, not even smoke. Buy a person right now, but it make me whole a vibe.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, so we're gonna do some blending. You see me? Yeah, I make it thing right. So more than put all 4 of this night. You see me?
True.
Yeah, just to make the juice get a nice flavor. You see me? It's a nice. So the blender works. You see me? You have one? Yeah, man. Naturally.
See there?
You see what we are doing? I sweat, we are sweat.
Sweat, we are sweat.
Yeah, man, we are doing one thing.
At feet, yeah.
There's no one to do one thing, but we still do one thing. We not stop doing it.
Sure. We are blend up on thing.
And we can't stop doing it. Our thing, right. We do them thing right back till night.
Sure.
Yeah, man. That's our one thing we are doing. We take time and do it too.
Yeah,
See it?
yeah.
Yeah, man. Papa and mama would love some of them juice cause and then in the US, them thing and they would love for drink.
Cucumber,
Yeah, cucumber.
ginger,
With ginger.
cucumber,
And lime, you see me?
and lime.
Make the thing
Honey.
divine. Make the
The
thing
thing
divine. You see me?
At feet, yeah.
Good for the mind.
Oh.
And the body. You see me? See me? I made the girl them see and alla. Them all out Jaja. Jaja. Made the girl them see and alla. Them all out Jaja. 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 You know me fresh white tees, Louis V straight jeans, Nikes. That me a beat, yeah. The girl them rub off the G, yeah. Hey, you don't know it's Jamaica representing for good life, you see me? So you don't know Jamaica good life, for everything right. I'm feeling good and great.
And
You
right.
see me?
So check it out.
So you don't know natural juice and not Sprite.
Feed some of a juice break.
Yeah. That we do one thing, you know.
Hot feed with a juice break.
Oh,
Hey.
yes I know, yes I know, no, no, yes I know, yes I know, no, no, yes I know, from me little land of road, I know. From me I they am so hey. Music is the way to go. But it's so tough and hard, I've got to find something to do. Hey. No style laughing, no time for laughing. Hey. Every time you rise, every time you fall. Hey. Never wanna see mama crying. So I keep on trying, trying, trying. I know, yes I know, no. Well you don't know the one that from England to Jamaica and from Jamaica to England, Europe, all over the Caribbean. You see me? Brand new song, check it out. Soon, forward out here, you see me? Yeah man. You don't know, Frost, pick up yourself on that one, alright? Party from load days, and I just know. Yeah man, family for life. Music of life. Man, I forget food to eat, you see. 7 days of the week, hey. Wow, man, I be out on my feet. All when my foot up on me, so me. Them can't lose me hungry. Out on my feet. The end God don't need them not dead, not deep, yeah. When man out on my feet, every day God don't need them not dead, not deep, yeah. The people that's not deep, yeah. Hey, away there, in the street, yeah. And them there, yo, me have to make a round, yeah. As some say, wicked heart and bad mind to run away. Them for where, for myself. I'm getting fun like a mat. I'm a trample under my feet, yeah. But deep up on the reggae beat. And music so sweet. Raging fire make it sweet, yeah. So you don't know, raging fire put out the one there. So big up yourself. To the fullest, you see me, all of the warriors there. And you know the thing, it's the best. At feet, yeah. Yeah. Hold some music vibe and we'll go back over a juice vibe and make the thing right, you see me?
A blending time.
Blending time, you see?
Oh, at feet, yeah.
At feet, yeah. I'm strong, me I blend juice cause to all the people them love the juice, them more time it done fast. You see me? So, I have to make sure I take on juice tasks. Yeah, man. Then we can do some music work.
Oh.
You see it? You know, I make the juice. You see me? Mm-hmm. Naturally. Yeah. For the people them. You see me?
Yeah. Cucumber juice. Jamaican say cucumber juice.
So good.
Ginger.
And the ginger. You tell me what I say? Yes. You see me? So watch you now. And the lime. Everything tastes fine.
Yeah.
You see me?
Lime. Yeah, see there? Cucumber juice, ready. Cucumber juice. I didn't say cucumber. Hot feet, yeah.
Get it right.
Hot feet, yeah.
Yeah.
I say get it right.
Yeah man, let's get it right.
Refreshing. It's a hot feet.
73. You see me say you know the thing. It's your bird at feet, yeah. Well, you don't know, we always do the thing. All around the circle, every time we go around and come back around, we have to do this, naturally. Never stop doing it, you see me? And then I do music like this, I do the whole of them things before I go out, go do the music, yeah. So you don't know, we are set the thing, business-wise.
Yeah.
This man at them about roasting potato, you know, say, him are the real man when know to roast the potato.
Oh, him?
Because I'm not telling a lie.
Right now,
I
me
know
never know much
roasting
about
potato,
it.
but I never know much about it. I just know say Jamaica always do it and pop up on a block when we are going to Yonchi and eat some of it too.
Sure. Him get experience.
Yeah.
Like, him see and him observe and acknowledge. Don't make him outsmart and tell him no crap. Him know the thing, but he never make him finger work behind it.
Yeah.
Tell the man that said the energy, I gotta focus on some juice, you know. The man make the sitting them down and he'll burn up. Then the man come cuss, hi. I ain't deal with this. Don't tell him what I deal with it, but well, you turn them, you see me?
Yeah.
No complaint.
Yeah.
You see me? Forget the eyes, sir. I forget the eyes, sir, you see me? Yeah, I use some water for the fire.
Kissing me twice, girl. You're sugar and spice, girl. You're everything nice, girl. I love you forever and I'll be true to you, girl. Oh, mama. Thank you, mama. Love you, mama, more than any other. Love my sister, love my brother. Oh, mama. I love you, mama. Hey, oh, mama. Thank you, mama. Love you, mama, more than any other. Love my sister, love my brother. Oh, mama. I love you, mama.
Yo, the first thing as me was by mama house was mama never grow we as the club. The first thing as me was by mama house was mama never grow we as the club. See brother say, to you. You no love your mother so, to you. Your mother did it for you when you get no to you. Protect you and she never bring no harm to you. Warm to you, me happy hug mama, happy hug mama. I God, I do me put above mama. Me nah go this mama, we a go kiss mama. Nah do go my fist and go kiss mama. Most thing as she must buy mama. House first mama never grow we as not up. You know say a Jamaica. Good life. Don't know a thing going on. Serious, you know.
I'm not pub life.
Don't know I'm a good life. Warm to you. If you not say Jamaica, goodness up, man.
Wicked and get the beat, yeah. Jamaica good life, yo, you see. Yeah, that's how we do it. 7 days of the champ. We're not talking about we. You see it?
Yeah.
Never wanna see mama crying, so I keep on trying. I know, good life, I know. No. Yes, I know. Jamaica good life, I know. No. From the day I'm born, man I hustle, want to double, just to make it can. And some people out the road, they want to raise the bar. No time laughing, no time for laughing, yo, but that's a one. No one to see the youth, them turn it on. It's Jabber, touching on the street. Hey, the people, them love come and weeping. Glad now Jamaica, the thing complete. Them can't stop my heart from beat. The Seaview, righteous is my speak. Hey, wicked I get my feet. When I jump with the beat, yeah. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Jamaica good life, I know. No. From the day I'm born, man.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then, after you're done with that, it says 172 videos here. So in Season 2, we really have 172 videos. Find the playlist. Now, what you should do is talk to your family members and say, hey, show me how to get to the playlist. And you click on this same white icon, and then what you do is just click on the playlist. So if I wanted to play Patrick stuff, I would enter here. Always come down and hit the playlist to select the episode you want.